It's our Factory Direct patio furniture sale at Family Leisure.
Spring is just around the corner. Shop now for the largest selection at guaranteed lowest prices. Factory Direct pricing on all of the best brands. Maintenance-free poly, dining that seats 10 or more, elegant cast aluminum, beautiful hand-woven wicker. We've got it all, and it's all on sale. Check out our large selection of chases, umbrellas, bases, and more. Can't find what you're looking for? Visit our design center to create your dream collection. These great products are also on sale now.
Factory Direct patio furniture sale going on now at Family Leisure. It's our Factory Direct Pool and Spa sale at Family Leisure.
Shop now for the largest selection and biggest savings. Family Leisure offers higher quality pools, thicker liners, and better equipment. Need more reasons? How about fast professional installation at guaranteed lowest prices? Spas. Now is the time to buy. New spas up to 30% off. Swim spas are priced to move. Special financing available. Become the family hero and save money.
Factory Direct Pool and Spa sale going on now at Family Leisure.
Family and fun.